Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be taking you through how to get approved for Split. Now, you know what's really cool about Split is that unlike others, other buy now pay later options that make you fill out a bunch of forms and wait for approval, with Split it is way more straightforward because this is the credit you already have on your existing credit card. Now think of it this way: instead of applying for a new loan, Split checks if you've got enough available credit on your Visa, MasterCard, Discover or UnionPay card to cover the total purchase. If you do, you're pretty much good to go. There's no separate application or credit check through Splitit itself. So here's the lowdown on what you generally need to get the green light. Let's get started. The first thing you need is an eligible credit card. They mostly work with Visa, MasterCard, and sometimes Discover and UnionPay depending on the merchant. Debit cards, prepaid cards, and other FSA/HSA cards. Well, when it comes to debit card, prepaid cards, and those FSA/HSA cards, you can't use those for a new Splitit plan. So the next thing after getting an eligible credit card is enough available credit. This is the big one. You need to have enough room for your credit card to cover the entire purchase amount, even though you'll be paying installments. You see, they put a hold, there's an authorization on your card for the full amount, and then they charge you for each installment over time. As you pay, that hold reduces. Next thing you need to be able to be eligible is to be over 18. You gotta be an adult to play this game. Then lastly, you need to be able to shop with a merchant that offers Splitit. Not every store uses Splitit, so you need to make sure it's an option at checkout. So to get approved, it is really about having a valid credit card with enough available credit when you're making a purchase with a Splitit merchant.